Hello, I'm Brody, and today I'm going to teach you how to do grid method. I'm sorry about all this background noise. I'm in a hallway next to a classroom in a classroom. But grid method is really simple if you give it a try. So we're going to try 64 times 7. Something quick and simple. So we're going to draw our grid method, spell like noughts and crosses, for an example. And we're going to have times. So we're going to have the 7 by here. It doesn't matter which way you put it. They all add up to the same answer. So 7 by there, and we need to split the 64 into two numbers, so it'd be 60 and 4. So 7 times 4 is 28, and 7 times 6 is 42. But it's 7 times 60, so it'd be 420. Now we're going to do a bit of column addition, or column method, whatever you like to call it. So we're going to do 420 at 28. 0 plus 8 is 8. 2 plus 2 is 4. 4 plus nothing is 4. So your answer would be 448. Thanks for watching, and just a quick tip, grid method is very easy if you give it a try.